Hey guys, I'm John Saavedra, Games Editor at Den of Geek, and I'm here with the PC experts at Mod My Mods, who are going to help me build the first ever official Den of Geek PC. Next to me is Kevin Tabor of Mod My Mods. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Hey, not a problem. We're glad to be here. We are an online reseller of performance PC parts and accessories. So pretty much anything to make your computer rad or cool or drop your temperatures, that's pretty much what we're in the market for. We offer a wide selection of brands and parts, but we kind of focus on the water cooling and the accessory side of things. So anything to pimp my computer, per se, is what we're in for.
And that's what we're going to do for us.
Absolutely. We all that work here are pretty much big into gaming. We like what we do, and we like to kind of share it with other people too. So, you know, if this is like your first time ever thinking about having a computer or even getting on a computer to play a game, that's kind of what we want to show you guys, you know, that it's not so scary and it can be a lot of fun.
I'm a little intimidated, obviously. So for other people that might be watching who are, you know, curious or embarking on their first PC building adventure, how difficult is it to build, you know, your first rig?
So putting the components together isn't really too terribly difficult. If you know how to, use a screwdriver, not to over tighten some things and to follow the instructions, it's relatively straightforward. It's not crazy complicated. It's pretty much plugging, putting the square in the square slot and the circle in the circle slot. You know, it doesn't matter whether you have a very small budget or a astronomical budget. You know, we want to try and just show people that it's not too difficult to do. You can install it in a relatively easy way, in an easy fashion, and it doesn't take too terribly long to do either.
So for beginners, is there a golden rule for building a PC?
Sure. Don't think that the best is always the best.
That's great.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Kevin.
Absolutely.
Stay tuned for all our individual videos on each component that's going into our Den of Geek PC and how to install them.